Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of affordable iPhones, specifically the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4. Rumors are swirling about its release date, design, features, and more. So buckle up, because we're separating fact from fiction to see if the iPhone SE 4 lives up to the hype. All about affordability. Let's face it, iPhones can be expensive, but the SE series has always been a breath of fresh air for budget-conscious Apple fans. The current iPhone SE starts at a cool $429, making it a fantastic option for those who want a taste of the Apple experience without breaking the bank. So, where does the iPhone SE 4 fit in? Speculation station. Now the release date is still up in the air. Analysts predict a spring 2025 launch, following the pattern of previous SE models. But hey, who knows? Maybe Apple will surprise us. The price is another interesting mystery. While some rumors suggest a slight increase to $450, $500, others believe Apple might stick to the current $429 price tag. This would be a major win for budget-minded buyers. Design debates. Alright, let's talk design. Here's where things get interesting. Some rumors point towards a design overhaul, with the iPhone SE 4 adopting the look of the iPhone XR. This would be a bigger phone with a notch for the front camera, a first for the SE series. Others suggest a more modern design similar to the iPhone 14. So, which one is it? Only time will tell. Camera concerns, upgraded clicks. The current iPhone SE's camera has received mixed reviews. Thankfully, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to address this. While it might stick to a single rear camera, the megapixel count is expected to jump significantly from 12 MP to 48 MP. This translates to sharper photos and better low-light performance. That's a big improvement for casual photographers and social media enthusiasts. Power up your day. Battery life is another area rumored for improvement. The iPhone SE 4 might borrow the iPhone 14's battery, boasting a jump from 2018 mAh to a hopping 3279 mAh. This translates to longer usage time, so you can worry less about running out of juice in the middle of the day. Chip on your shoulder. Processing power is key for a smooth user experience. The current iPhone SE uses the A15 Bionic chip, which is pretty darn good. But the iPhone SE 4 might take things further with the A16 Bionic chip, or even the next generation A17. This would ensure the phone can handle demanding apps, games, and future software updates with ease. Saying goodbye to the home button? The iconic home button might be making its exit in the iPhone SE 4. Instead, rumors suggest Face ID will take over for biometric authentication. This would be a significant shift for Southeast users, but it would also bring the phone in line with the rest of the iPhone lineup. Lightning speed ahead, the Lightning port has been a staple on iPhones for years, but that might change with the SE 4. The phone is rumored to adopt the USB-C port, which is quickly becoming the industry standard. This would mean faster charging and data transfer speeds, a welcome change for many users. Software savvy. When it comes to software, the iPhone SE 4 is likely to launch with the latest iOS version, which is expected to be iOS 18. This translates to new features, improved security, and a more refined user experience. Is it worth the wait? So, is the iPhone SE 4 worth waiting for? That depends on your needs. If you're happy with your current iPhone or prioritize having the absolute latest features, you might be content to wait and see what the future holds. Benefits breakdown. But for those seeking an affordable iPhone with a performance boost, the iPhone SE 4 could be a fantastic option. Here's a breakdown of some key benefits. Asterisk improved camera. Capture sharper photos with the rumored 48 MP rear camera. Asterisk extended battery life. Stay powered up longer with a potential upgrade to a 3279 mAh battery. Asterisk faster performance. Experience smoother operation and handle demanding tasks with a next-generation A-series chip. Asterisk modern design potential. Enjoy a fresh look with a larger display, depending on the final design. So, who should consider the iPhone SE 4? Asterisk budget-minded iPhone fans. This phone could be the perfect entry point into the Apple ecosystem without breaking the bank. Asterisk upgrade seekers. If you're rocking an older iPhone and want a performance and camera upgrade at an affordable price, the SE 4 is worth keeping an eye on. Let us know in the comments below what features of the iPhone SE 4 excite you the most. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on the official release and our future iPhone SE 4 coverage. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video helped you get a clearer picture of the upcoming iPhone SE 4. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and we'll see you on the next one.